Once comfortable, he would take the soap in his hands or feet and rub himself all over with the soap. When the water became cold, he would get out and run as quickly as he could to the kitchen fire in order to dry himself, as it was winters. If anyone laughed at him during this performance, Toto's feelings would be hurt and he would refuse to go on with his bath. He would refuse to have more bath if anybody laughs at him at this performance. One day Toto nearly succeeded in boiling himself alive. Means he did something as if to boil himself alive. A large kitchen kettle had been left on the fire to boil for tea, and Toto, finding himself with nothing better to do, means he had nothing else to do, so he decided to remove the lid. Finding the water just warm enough for a bath, just by checking the temperature with his hand, he found the water just warm enough for the bath. He got in, with his head sticking out from the open kettle. Sticking out is coming out from the open kettle. This raised himself a little. Sorry, I missed a line. This was just fine for a while. For some time it was all fine, until the water began to boil. Until the water began to boil means till the water did not start to boil. Toto then raised himself a little. Then, when once the water began to boil, Toto raised himself up a little. But finding it cold outside, sat down again. He continued hopping up and down for some time until grandmother arrived and howled him half boiled out of the kettle. Howled him means pulled him out. If there is a part of the brain specially devoted to mischief, that part was largely developed in Toto. Means Toto could perform a lot of mischiefs during the day. He was also tearing things to pieces. Whenever one of my aunts came near him, he made every effort to get hold of her sari, her dress, and tear a hole in it. He made every effort to get means he did everything possible to get hold of her dress and tear a hole in it.